Number 4. Coleman RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly tabletop gas grill, the Coleman RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill is a great option. With 2 burners and 11,000 BTUs, this grill packs a powerful punch for its size. The 25 square inches of cooking space provide plenty of room for grilling all your favorite foods on the go. One of the standout features of the RoadTrip 225 is the quick and powerful heating capability. The cast iron grate heats up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit with ease, giving your meats a perfect sear and crispy skin. The non-stick surface makes for easy cleanup, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Setting up this grill is a breeze thanks to its well-designed propane tank attachment. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport, although the lack of a locking lid may be a drawback for some. The plastic handles and feet feel a bit cheap, but they don't detract from the overall performance of the grill. While the separate burners can lead to uneven heating at times, this is a minor issue compared to the overall benefits of the RoadTrip 225. For a compact, powerful, and budget-friendly tabletop gas grill, it's hard to beat what Coleman has to offer with this model. Check it out for yourself and take your grilling game to the next level. Still searching for the perfect budget gas grill? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.